Hello, it's me, Ayahuasca from Marijuana Garden.
Am I the only one that didn't know about the cloud that never moves? It's called the Trippy pet. In southeastern New Zealand, folks see a peculiar cloud that forms in the same spot every time. Meet the Trippy pet, a cloud so strange it's been caught by NASA's satellites. From above it looks like a skinny, elongated shape, but from the ground, it's a towering stack of clouds. This sci-fi looking cloud is actually an altocumulus standing lenticular cloud. When strong winds hit the steep mountains, they push the air upwards. As the air cools, water vapor condenses, forming a cloud that stays put. So next time you see a cloud that seems frozen in place, you'll know the science behind the magic. Ever heard of a supercontinent? Well, get ready to meet Earth's next big thing, Pangea Ultima. According to scientists, in roughly 250 million years, the Americas will collide with a merged Afro-Eurasian landmass, forming Pangea Ultima. Picture it, the Atlantic Ocean disappears as continents squeeze together into one colossal landmass near the equator. With fewer coastlines, the interior will face extreme temperatures, transforming vast areas into scorching deserts. And that's not all. The continental collision will spark volcanic activity, pumping loads of carbon dioxide into the air, making things even hotter. Global ocean currents will get thrown off balance, leading to wild weather changes. Sadly, this harsh environment could spell doom for many mammals, unable to cope with the new extreme conditions. It's all driven by the relentless dance of plate tectonics and subduction zones, pushing and pulling continents together. So next time you look at a world map, remember, it's not set in stone. The future of Earth is always on the move. I bet you didn't know the story behind Lilly Phillips's shocking stunt. OnlyFans model Lilly Phillips made headlines with her jaw-dropping stunt, sleeping with 100 men in a single day. But what really happened behind the scenes? In a tearful video, Lilly revealed the emotional and physical toll it took on her. "It's not for the weak," she said, struggling to hold back tears. The intense experience left her feeling disconnected and questioning her own motivations. Yet, despite the breakdown, Lilly has announced an even more extreme challenge, sleeping with 1,000 men in 24 hours. Public reactions are mixed. Some are concerned for her mental health. Others are bewildered by her drive. This story raises important questions about the pressures in the adult entertainment industry and the length some will go for notoriety. Lilly's story is a stark reminder of the emotional cost behind the scenes. Remember, always prioritize your mental well-being. Stay tuned for more updates on this unfolding saga. Are you ready to explore one of the ocean's most toxic and fascinating secrets? Let's uncover the mysteries of brine pools. Brine pools are like underwater lakes, formed when ancient salt deposits seep into the ocean. These pools are so dense they're almost impenetrable, and ROVs can float on their surface. But don't be fooled by their calm appearance. Brine pools are extremely toxic due to high salinity and lethal gases like hydrogen sulfide and methane. Despite this, life finds a way. Specialized bacteria thrive along the rims, converting toxic chemicals into energy, creating a unique ecosystem. And who knows, the secrets within these pools might one day lead to medical breakthroughs. So, next time you think about the ocean, remember there's a whole alien world down there just waiting to be explored. Hey everyone, stop what you're doing and get ready to be amazed. We're going to travel back in time, almost 2,000 years to ancient Rome. Archaeologists found this incredible gold ring in a tomb near Rome. It belonged to a woman named Abutia Quarta. This ring isn't just old, it's practically magic. The ring has a special clear stone called rock crystal, and on that stone is a carving of Abutia's son, Titus. But wait, there's more. The really cool part is on the back of the crystal. The way it's carved makes the image look like a hologram. It's like a 3D image, even though it's super old. The image of Titus looks so real, it's hard to believe it was made so long ago. This shows just how skilled Roman artists were. Today, this amazing ring is kept safe in a museum in Italy called the Museo Archeologico Nazionale di Palestrina. It reminds us how creative and clever people were, even thousands of years ago. So the next time you think about old art, remember this special ring and how amazing it is.
You need to watch this if you struggle with making a lasting impression. Robert Greene's might just be the secret weapon you need. Let's dive into the 9 types of seducers from Robert Greene's bestseller. First up, the siren. This archetype oozes traditionally feminine energy, irresistible to those with a masculine edge. Next, the rake. the male counterpart to the siren, unleashing repressed feminine desires and excitement. Then we have the ideal lover, who brings our lost childhood fantasies to life. They understand and fulfill our deepest desires. The dandy breaks gender norms, attracting with their free-spirited and ambiguous personality. The natural embodies childlike innocence and spontaneity, pulling at our longing for carefree times. The coquette, the elusive, keeps us on our toes with their hot and cold behavior, making us crave what we can't have. Next, the charmer casts a spell with their understanding of human nature, stroking egos and aligning with our emotional walls. The charismatic captivates with their confidence and energy, making every moment with them electrifying. Finally, the star, a blend of reality and legend, exudes a dreamlike presence that feels just out of reach, making them incredibly alluring. Intrigued? Greens uncovers the secrets behind these archetypes, offering insights into human behavior and social dynamics. Use these powers wisely.
What I wish I knew is that love can be found in the most unexpected places. Meet at Mont BK 5959, who found companionship in a truly unique way. Meet at Mont BK 5959, a man who turned his loneliness into a touching love story. Introducing Natalia, his ragdoll partner. Together, they've shared walks, shopping trips, and even celebrated their first anniversary. But it doesn't stop there. This TikToker is planning a dream wedding with Natalia. His journey doesn't just feature Natalia. He's also a devoted dad to their ragdoll kids. From watching TV to helping with homework, he's embraced his unconventional family with open arms. Despite facing criticism, he remains steadfast. Without my dolls, I'd be more alone than anyone, he says. His story reminds us that love and companionship come in many forms. So here's to at Montbeek 5959 and Natalia, proving that love truly knows no bounds.
Why are there not more people talking about the fate of Suchir Balaji? His allegations against OpenAI have left lasting ripples. Suchir Balaji, a 26-year-old former OpenAI researcher, was found dead in his San Francisco apartment on November 26. The medical examiner ruled it a suicide with no evidence of foul play. Balaji had recently accused OpenAI of unlawfully using copyrighted data to train its ChatGPT model. His claims have fueled ongoing lawsuits from publishers and authors. OpenAI asserts its practices follow fair use principles. This tragic incident underscores the intense pressures faced by whistleblowers. Balaji's allegations have sparked urgent discussions on AI ethics and regulation. His story is a powerful reminder of the human cost behind the tech industry's rapid advancements.
Did you know about the shortest war ever? It only lasted 38 minutes. Yeah, you heard that right, 38 minutes. Let's talk about the Anglo-Zanzibar War. It happened on August 27th, 1896. Basically, the Sultan of Zanzibar, who was friends with the British, died, and things got messy. There was a power struggle, and a guy named Khalid bin Bargash took over. The problem was he didn't ask the British first, even though there was a treaty saying he had to. So the British said, "Hey, get out of the palace or else." They gave him a deadline of 9:00 a.m. When the clock struck 9, the British Navy started firing at the palace. Boom, the whole place went up in flames super fast. The Zanzibari cannons were silenced, and even their royal yacht sank. Just like that, by 9:46 a.m., the war was over. Khalid ran away, and the British put their own guy, Hamoud bin Mohammed, in charge. This super short war meant the end of real power for the Sultan of Zanzibar. The British took control and eventually ended slavery there. So, a 38-minute war changed a lot of things. History can be pretty crazy, right? It's like blink and you miss it.